the door handles of the car, you think it is just for opening the door? This is wrong. The car handle doors hold some secrets, especially the last one. So, guys, I will give you some secrets about the car handle, and this will tricks will help you. Okay, it's not only that, but there are many secrets. Inshallah, I will give you another video. Alright, guys, so I'll tell you about this secrets of the handle car doors. First, when you are in the drum area or drum test, anyway, you practice, right? You can use this technique when you start, entering backward. Okay, when you saw that the front door handle and back handle door meet with the four drums, straight line like that, so you can stop and turn your steering wheel to straight. All right, you can use this technique, it work. The thing is, some students, when they are entering the drum, okay, they will not look to the back handle doors, because that handle doors give you the correct straight line, from the both side, so you cannot touch any drum. Both of them, they're touching the drum because they're not looking for the handles or the door. That's what will happen. They think they're straight from left and right, but they think like that, but they are actually not straight. So what will happen? They will come tight and they will touch the drum. The car factories in the world, they made door handles. It's not only to open them. Me also, I'm thinking like that when I'm starting driving. I'm thinking only just for opening the door, but actually you can use it for many secrets. That is for safety driver. Okay. Second trick about handle door. All right. When you parked sideways, okay, keep your eye on the right mirror. All right. When you saw that front door handle meet the curb, okay, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. In this case, your car going to the parking space. Alright, guys, so the third one, last one, I told you, okay, when you stop and there's a dead car right in front of you, okay, keep your eyes on the door handle. Okay, keep your eyes on door handle. When you cannot see it, hit the brake direct. Otherwise, you're going to hit that car. In this case, you'll see your car and that car in front of you. You can see like 10 centimeters. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you inshallah another video. Thank you.